Okay, in this tutorial I am going to show you different type of selection method in Maya. So let's get started. I have taken three simple objects, a polygon cube, a sphere and a torus, and also a nerve circle. Now change modeling menu to rigging menu. Go to a skeleton, click create joint and create joint just like this. Press enter. Now select the polygon cube from the outliner and parent it to the polygon sphere. Just middle click and drag it to the polygon sphere. Or just now select the polygon torus and parent it to the polygon cube. Or just select it from the viewport, shift select the polygon cube and press P. This will automatically parent it to the polygon cube. Or you will press Ctrl plus G, or just select the polygon torus and middle mouse click and drag it to the polygon cube. This will parent it to the polygon cube. See the procedure. Now I am showing you the different type of selection method. The first one is select by hierarchy. If you now the object selection method is turned on, select by object. If you turn this on and select any of the object from this hierarchy, this is called hierarchy. Hierarchy means one object is parent with another. With turn on select by hierarchy, if you click any of this object, this will select all the object included in this hierarchy. Just click this. See, all the three object is selected. If you turn off this and just select this, this will not select other two objects. See the procedure. So turn on select by, first deselect all, turn on select by hierarchy, select any one of the object, this will select all the three objects. See, these three objects are selected. Now turn off. First go to select by object. Now this one is select by component. To see the effect of select by component, just click on this triangular icon. See, click. Then click select by component icon, this icon, and select any of the object from the outliner. I select the polygon torus and try to select, it is not working. Again select and click on any of this icon. This one show you the just select, click on this one. Sorry, first click on this one and try to select and see. This will show you the edge selection mode. Keep this off. See, this will turn on edge selection mode. Click and see, or you can select all the edge. See, now if you click on this icon just next to the edge selection mode, this will turn on face selection mode. See the face selection mode. You can select all the face with turn or clicking on this icon. If you click on this icon, this will turn on vertex selection mode. Now you can select any of the vertex of this polygon torus. This is also for this object. Click and see all the object. See, now this one is select by UV. See, now you can select any of the UV point with turn on this selection mode. See, of these three objects. See the procedure. Now turn off the select by component mode and go to object mode. This time I am showing you this icon, the use of this icon. Go to object selection mode by clicking on this icon. The first one is select by surface object. If you turn this off and turn this on means it will go green color or highlighted green color. Now if you try to select all of the object or thing from the viewport, it will only select the polygon surface. See, it is not selecting the joint. See the procedure. If you turn this on, that means select by joint, and deselect and try to select, this will only select the joint and the polygon surface. See, sorry, this will select the joint and the polygon surface. See, try to select and see. But if you turn this off icon and try to select this one from the viewport, it will not work. See, it will only work for the polygon surface, as the polygon surface icon is on, turn on. See, now I am turning off the polygon surface option or icon and turning on the joint icon and try to select the polygon surface. It is not working. And try to select the joint, it will work. See the procedure. Now turn this one also off, and this one is select by curve. By turning on this, if I try to select any of the object from the viewport, it will not work. It only work for the nerve circle or curve. Try to select and see. See, all are going deselected except the nerve circle. See the procedure. If you click on this icon, this will lock your camera. That means viewport, perspective camera. Try to move and see, it is not moving. Turn this one off, try to move and see, it is moving. If you click on this icon, this will lock your viewport. See the procedure. Try to zoom out, zoom in, it is not working. Now I am showing you the selection lock procedure or method. Click on this surface selection icon. Click on this object, polygon truss, and click on this icon. This will lock your selection. Now select move tool. And try to deselect this one. See, the selection is locked. Try to deselect. First click on this one to clear your concept. Click here, it will deselect. Then select, turn on this lock icon. Try to click here, this will not deselect. See, this is known as the lock selection method. This is the all about your selection method, or all about of this icon. This one is select by handle. That means your any of the handle, bent handle or any of the handle which is which is included in Maya. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will see you on my next lesson.